In today's show, I'm going to help you a lot if you have any kind of swelling, especially if your lower extremities, have legs, especially in your feet, or any kind of swelling in your body. If you want to learn about natural remedies that can help you, today's show is for you. In today's show, you will find a lot about one remedy that is called balsamic fir, and it's evergreen coniferous tree from the pine family of Pinaceae. It usually grows 40 to 20 meters tall. Its narrow, conical crown consists of dense, dark green leaves. The bark of the young tree is smooth, gray, with raised blisters that tend to burst when cracked. The leaves are flat and needle-like, 15 to 30 millimeters long. The tree cones are upright, 40 to 80 millimeters long, dark purple to brown. Other names of this plant include Christmas tree and Canadian balsam. The Latin name of this genus Albinus originates from Romans, derived from the Latin word abire, to grow, it indicating the great heights from species that can reach. The balsamic tree and the balsamic fir were given to the raising of abundant secrets. And later in the show, I'm going to give you my special recipe that you can drink in my tea from balsamic fir. Balsamic fir is also one of the plants that I was described in my book Amazing Natural Remedies Part 1. Habitat: it's naturally distributed in North America, Canada, and northeastern United States, where it grown up to 1,600 meters above sea level. It was introduced to Europe in 1697. It also grown as a Christmas tree. It prefers semi-shaded and shaded areas, clay soils, and is resistant to frosts. It lives up to 200 years. It reproduces by seeding and vegetably. It originates from the moist forests of Labrador to Alberta, south to northeastern Minnesota, Wisconsin, New England, New York, and further south in Appalachian to Virginia, United States. It is primarily planted for boreal forests expanding across the Canada. And right now we know that it is of course a native plant to the Northern America. It has many health benefits that I'm going to tell you about a little bit later, especially if indigenous people in North America using for many health benefits, of course, for the natural removing of the swelling in your body. It is stimulant, antiseptic, analgesic, treating upper respiratory tract, asthma, bronchitis, colds, aiding in digestive difficulties, helps with smoking cessation, anti-cancer action, removes warts, natural diuretic, against rheumatic disease. For thousands of years, Native Americans have used this plant for medicinal and therapeutic purposes. They made balms and the tea from it. Balsam fir contains a large amount of vitamin C, which strongly boosts immunity, eliminates bacterial and viral infection. It is an excellent natural remedy for upper respiratory tract infection and sore throats. It relieves cough and reduces pain. It is great help for the lung infections. Usually when you take this tea, this is perfect natural way to remove your swelling from your body. Also it's perfect for your digestive disorders. It can help you a lot with your stomach, also with your intestines that work properly, and if you have properly functions of the intestines also with your stomach, you will have better chance to removing these problems with your swelling in your body. Also, we can say that this tea reduces symptoms such as stress, anxiety, constipation, and insomnia. Used as a balm on the skin, it used for the burns, hemorrhoids, inflammation of warts, painful muscles, or oral cavity pain. Resin obtained the balsam fir is used worldwide as an effective antiseptic. Buds, resin, and sap are used for the folk remedies for treating cancer, corns, and warts. It removes excess accumulated fluid and it's mild natural diuretic. It is used against diarrhea, constipation, a treatment for gonorrhea and prevents scurvy. It is beneficial for rheumatoid diseases, kidneys, headaches. Chewing the roots is used to treat oral wounds and mouth problems. You will not believe it. This plant is called balsamic fir, used for those and many other health benefits. Right now you can buy this balsamic fir in any kind of quality foods store, health food store, especially in the internet food store. It has many other compounds as a powder, capsules, tinctures, but today I'm going to give you my special tea that can help you remove your swelling in your body. Especially you can make syrup from the bark of balsamic fir. The syrup is made by boiling 1 small spoon of the bark into water for 15 to 20 minutes. Then strain and drink in half cup twice a day. This is very easy. Right now you go on the internet healthy store or your local healthy store, find the tea from balsamic fir. You just need to boil this special tea for 15 to 20 minutes and you have the perfect way to remove your swelling in your body. In natural way, that is all is about my channel. Right now my channel you have over 4,000 videos. Many of them are about removing the swelling in your body. This is also the plant I was described in my second book, Miraculous Natural Remedies. The purchase of my books called Intermittent Fasting, The Secret of Health and Longevity, and Miraculous Natural Remedies, Part 1. The books have been translated into Croatian, English, German and Polish, and can be purchased on the internet site called MarioLab.hr. Hurry up, because the quantities of books are limited and we are selling them until supply lasts. This, but for everyone that wants to learn a lot more, what is best vitamin that can help you relieve your swelling in your body, click here on this little window or this video. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.